Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix backup error 0x8078012d. The request cannot be performed because an IO device error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type services and hit enter. In this new window, locate this service, scroll down and browse volume shadow copy. Locate the services, is here. Double click and select stop and right click on manual and click on start. You can try other option, select automatic and click on apply and click on OK, and you can try the third option, restart the services, and you can verify the status of the service is running, and you can try start any backup tool on your system and your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.